Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Enable NFC in settings under connected devices. Toggle it on now so the hardware is awake. Once done, grant any app permissions, location, or nearby devices, because some readers require those to discover tags. Make sure to close the settings and open the app you'll use. If the NFC toggle is grayed out, restart the phone to reset the radio. You'll be ready to interact with tags in the next steps. You'll now read or write tags. Open the NFC app and choose Read or Write. Place the tag on the phone's upper rear, near the camera module area, and hold it steady. You'll get visual or haptic confirmation when the antenna aligns. When writing, pick the correct payload, URL, text, or record type, because overriding mismatched types can corrupt the tag. Once the app reports success, test the tag by reading it again to confirm the stored data. Finish by testing the tag in real conditions. Open the target app and tap the tag to confirm the expected action. If it fails, clear the app cache, toggle NFC off and on, and reboot. These steps reset the service. Also check physical issues. Some cases or metal surfaces block the antenna, and certain tag types aren't supported. If you still have trouble, try a different tag or app to pinpoint whether the phone, tag, or software is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.